So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to create Threads account on Instagram. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So to create the Instagram Threads, you first need an Instagram account to create a Threads account. If you do not have an Instagram account, download and install the Instagram app to create an account. Once you have created an account, return to the Threads app, then create your Threads profile by importing the details you made from your Instagram account. And it's that simple. You just have to use your own Instagram account to make your Threads. As you can see here, my name is here, so just view the Threads profile and there you go. It's just that simple. And that's how you make your own Threads account using your Instagram. And thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.